What's up guys, Reps on Feet here. We got an unboxing from Shoeout.ru. We ordered 4 shoes. It took about 15 days to get them. We're still waiting on one more. They shipped 2, you can see over here, through DHL, and then they shipped the other 2 through FedEx. So we got one of the FedEx ones. I think these are the Jordan 1 High Pine Greens, but I'm not 100%. We'll find out. They might be the, what was it called? The Royal?
Game 1 Royals.
Game 1 Royals. We'll see though. And yeah, 15 days, which is not too bad considering COVID and everything.
It actually said it was going to get here on the 31st. It actually arrived early.
Yeah, so the weird thing was, so the DHL kind of took a minute to process the... Did it say delivered on the DHL?
Yes.
Okay, so FedEx never said delivered. The tracking number, for some reason, was kind of out of whack. So I thought maybe the DHL ones were here. Weird, because that's... I don't know, that doesn't make sense, but... I think they transferred DHL when it gets to the States to FedEx. Just to keep it low key. Maybe neither. Huh. Because it looks like a Sakai box.
Yeah, it looks like a Sakai box.
We got Sakai's, and the white and gray Sakai's, and we also got some Bread 11s, so looking like a... Oh, that's not even... Oh, that's not a box. That's a fucking... Just like triple wrap these damn boxes.
Hey, you can never be too safe. COVID-19.
Yeah, they get rattled with the customs too. Alright, and you guys are seeing this the same time we are, so... Oh, fuck. I'm hoping they're mine, because my brother over here, he got the Game Royals and I got the High Pines. So I'm hoping they're mine.
I hope it's yours too, because I'm pretty sure I got
He already got his other 2.
The
so.
Sakai's are in one of these boxes.
Alright, get that shit out of the way. Let's see here. Alright. Bring it a little closer. Focus that shit.
Alright.
Alright, let's see guys. No. Fuck!
Yeah! Let's go!
Fuck!
Mike shakes it. Woo!
Damn, alright, let's take a look. Get a little close up here. Size 11. Check the size first. Size 11. Whew.
Comes with a pair of blue laces.
Blue laces on there.
As well as the black.
Damn.
It's got a white insole. I don't know if you can really see that in there.
White insole.
Blue Nike Air. Looks good.
Yeah, blue Nike Air on the inside there.
Looks good.
Let's see. Do just a quick look of just the painting. Looks pretty flush. I mean, I don't see that many imperfections. It's kind of hard on the unboxing to really see all the details. You kind of got to sit down and look at them, but
Jordan logo looks on point.
I don't see any like imperfections.
The focus in there.
Tongue looks good, nice and padded.
Good front toe.
All right, show you guys the box a little too. Comes with the shoe trees, obviously. And here's the box right there. You guys can see. Got the colorway on there: Air Jordan 1 Retro Royal White. So yeah, all right, on to the next.